Hi everyone, welcome back to my commerce class. Today we are going to solve a problem related to fire insurance claim. So in the previous video I have given the various stages for the calculation of insurance claim. That's a preparation of trading account, calculation of gross profit ratio, memorandum trading account, and also the statement to find the claim amount. So that's explained in the previous video once you go through that video. And today I have taken a problem related to that. This is a problem, look at here. So on 1st July 2019, the fire destroyed the stock of the business, and from the saved information we have this one. Okay, this information related to like 2018 and 19. That means we have the information of previous year and also we have the information of current year. Okay, so the current year information is 2019, previous year information is 2018. So the previous information is given to find the gross profit of the previous year trading account. Okay, and current year information is available to find the closing stock. We have to find the closing stock because the entire stock which was there in the go down, that was destroyed, and we need to find the value of closing stock. For that, for current year trading account to be prepared. Okay, so based on this information we are going to find. Here they have given stock, purchases, sales, as well as manufacturing expenses. So manufacturing expenses they are given for the previous year. For the current year we have to find it. For 3 months we have to find it. See, 1st April 2019, this is the closing stock period, and 1st April 2019 is the opening stock. Okay, so that means on 1st July 2019, now April, May, June, July. Okay, 3 months. So in the span of 3 months, fire accident has happened. For that, purchase, sales, everything is given, and during that period a stock worth rupees 500 was distributed on sample, and this adjustment to be done in the trading account, and the goods which was saved from the fire accident 7,000 to be adjusted the statement while finding the claim amount. Okay, let's look into the solution part. First we are preparing the last year trading account. That's the trading account for the year ending 31st March 2019. Okay, so based on the available information I told, no, stock opening is zero, closing also given, purchases given, and sales given, manufacturing expenses also given. That we have taken to find the gross profit. Okay, opening stock 45,000, purchases 2,29,250, manufacturing expenses as given the problem 21,000, sales given, and closing stock available in the problem. So this is the information what they are given. Okay, so based on that we'll make a total of credit side, and we'll get a total of 2,25,000. Okay, the same amount is here written debit side 2,25,000. So that we'll get a difference of 29,750. That's the gross profit. Okay, so we are preparing the previous year trading account to find the gross profit, and that is required to find the rate of gross profit on sales. So this is a common equation. What is that equation? Gross profit divided by sales into 100. It's the equation to find the percentage of gross profit on sales. Okay, so 29,750, that's a gross profit. Sales profit the previous year 1,70,000 into 100, so that you'll get a 17.5%. Okay, so this is to be considered to find the rate. The third step, you are going to prepare the memorandum trading account. Okay, this is the memorandum trading account which is to be prepared for the current year only for 3 months. This is only for 3 months because accident happened in the month of July, from 1st April to July. That's the 3 months information we are going to find taken here. Okay, so opening stock, that's the previous year closing stock becomes the opening stock here 55,000, and they are given the purchases for the current year. Out of that, we are going to subtract the sample which is given. Okay, 500 sample is given in the adjustment now. That is to be subtracted, so that we will get the 59,500. Manufacturing expenses, actually they are given 21,000 previous year, and we are going to find it for only 3 months. Okay, this is the equation that we have applied, so that you will get 3 months. It is 5,250. Okay, and sales as given in the problem, and this is the gross profit. We are going to record it here based on the percentage what we have taken. So 17.5% is the rate of gross profit on sales. Sales is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 17.5 divided by 100. So that will get the 17,500. So we'll make the total of debit side. First we'll make it a total of debit side. The total becomes 1,37,250. The total is written on the credit side also, 1,37,250. The difference what you are going to find, that's the closing stock. Okay, the closing stock to be considered to find the loss of stock what has happened due to fire accident. Okay, so this is the last stage. It's a step 4, calculation of loss of stock. Stock is taken based on this memorandum trading account, that's a 37,250. Okay, and stock saved from the fire. Okay, out of fire we have got some 7,000, that is subtracted, so that you'll get a loss of stock, that is 30,250. Sometimes the insurance will be taken for less than the value of stock what you have in the godown. Then you have to apply average class. Okay, so average class, that will be applied. That's an equation that is to be applied to reduce the claim amount proportionately to the value of closing stock what is given in the godown. But here no information available with regard to the policy amount. So what will take, whatever the stock loss of stock is there, that itself is the claim amount. This is itself is the claim amount. Okay, so this is how we are going to find. I hope that it is clear about the process of calculation of claim amount. If you need any further adjustment, you can raise it in the comment, so that I'll try to solve the problems related to such important concept what you need for calculation of claim amount. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So if you like it and share and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in the coming video. Thank you.